One more example of solving by elimination that we see here. 7x plus 5y equals 2, and 8x minus 9y equals 17. Again, I don't really want to solve either one of these equations for one of my variables. It's not going to work out very nicely. But I don't really have a great least common multiple between these two equations either. We're going to have some pretty big numbers that we end up working with, but it's okay, it'll still work out. Between 7x and 8x, there's not really a whole lot to work with there. Remember that if you are ever stuck trying to find a least common multiple, you could multiply these two numbers together. That's my husband. To get your least common multiple. So I could work with 56x, or I could work with 45y's if we wanted to. And just, I guess, for simplicity's sake, I don't know if you really can call it that, I'm going to work with the smaller number, the 45y, and get my y's to eliminate. So if I'm doing that, I need to multiply my top equation by 9, both sides, and my bottom equation by 5, both sides. Keep in mind that you really need to be careful about multiplying this right side after the equal sign as well. It's really easy to forget that, and then things don't work out nicely. So 9 times 7x is 63x plus 45y equals 18. 5 times 8x is 40x minus 45y equals, I think that's 85. Yep. And now let's think, do we need to add or subtract my equation straight down? Well, if I want my y's to eliminate, I have a positive 45y and a negative 45y. I add these guys straight down. So that gives me 103x equals, hey, that's nice, equals 103. So divide both sides by 103, x equals 1. Once again, we'll take this number, plug it into one of my two equations. Doesn't really matter which one. I like that top equation better because I have 7x and 5y, positive 5y. So we'll do that. x, I know x is 1, plus 5y equals 2. Subtract 7 from both sides. 5y equals negative 5, which means y equals negative 1. So my overall solution, 1, negative 1. Hopefully you've seen some advantages and disadvantages to both methods. Elimination is one that we can use a little more universally than substitution. Substitution can get pretty messy sometimes, but they both have their place.